I say. And people may not get back my money. Don't stop. Because me hear people say, oh, you say, you say you that's quiet. So, but me I tell people, me not get back my money, people. So they stop see me and ask me, get back my money.
Me hear that, my viewers. Usain Bolt say, I'll know him can't get back $1 from SSL. And Usain Bolt say, the reason why him don't go international and do interview overseas and talk about it, because it a go hurt Jamaica. And me know a lot of you out there wonder how it a go hurt Jamaica. Me a go make you know how. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that fit talk about. So no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you no subscribe yet. So here we are going to them people. Devonie drop out of St.Elizabet+Cutty get charged for murder him own sister St.Elizabet, and Mini-Me wanted for grapings a road. So before me jump in at the reasoning and me gonna know what I go on, pre this.
Have it in your head. I said this is my guideline. I don't want to end up like my brother. Look what you see, brother. The brother that this way no bro. Yeah, and him eat, sleep, everything together. You see him go? You don't want that to reach you. You see me? I'm proud of you. You see me? Let's go to school and do the right thing, bro. You see me?
You see that, my viewers? You see more while in a life. All the youth them need, boy, you know, is a little words of encouragement, you know. Somebody to believe in them, you know, and push them, you know, and tell them, say, badness, no loyalty, no in a that, a dead end that. So when you see that video, them people, where a man there look on the juvenile and I make him know, say, yo, see your brother there, you know, wrap up, you know, gone, him gone now, you know, we no want that happen to you, you know. So you better go to school, take in your education, and come be a better man in a society, you know. Because you see most of the dons and the general, them boy, yeah, them not care about the youth, them, you know. Them only care about to use the youth, them, you know. And then when the youth, them drop on them face, and to a next youth, you know, me I tell you know. So see them people, tell me what you think about that. All the youth, them need, boy, a more while. Is a little words of encouragement for show them, say, brother, certain things now go nowhere in a life. You don't see how much youth a drop, boy, ya. You don't see how squaddy them a move, boy, ya. Just a slap with beer, man, so you can't stay there. So my people, you know, walk with me now. Me I got Sunny Heights, St.Elizabet, where we see Cutty get charged for murder him own sister, 20-year-old Iyanla X, over her own front. My viewers, the family did know say that boy are mad, you know. And the family them did know say this thing here is about to happen, you know. Cause a regular the boy try for hold on pan him own sister, you know. Them know this, you know. And see it here, they make the boy dirt him own sister, me I tell you no. Suppose the brother never come find her. How long Brittany would a day in a house lock up dead and nobody no know. And nobody wouldn't go check pan her. See boy, family a turn enemy. Friend turn enemy, one ex-boy, eh? The things that away me and tell you, know, why all of them people here, we say them unsound mind, why the family them not carry them go in a one institute and make them take them medication, or just carry them go to Bellevue for them go live till die kingdom come. You know have them amongst righted people, and you know say any moment them head can chip, and see it here. The boy head chip, me I tell you no. Murder him own sister over our front at Sunny Heights, St.Elizabet. My condolences to the girl, me I tell you no. So no walk with me again, my people, where we see 20-year-old Devonie Samuels. I drive him car on the Braze River main road in a St.Elizabet, lose control and go run in a light post and film 3 pints gone. See it, my viewers. Every day, when I tell you no say, when I know 9 ball slamming at the people them head, a reckless driving pan the road. Life a sell a shop, boy, yeah. Eh? Life must a sell a shop, boy, yeah. Cause the people them they have 3 care about them life, boy, yeah, you know, notice that. People them not protect it. People them a donate them life to the system. You know see what I go on. So see me, my people, 20-year-old Devonie Samuels. Drop out of St.Elizabet. So no walk with me and now. See that boy you wanna see on the screen. Daniel Sheng, aka Mini-Me, wanted for grapings and robbery road. Viewers, see that boy, yeah, him ends out everywhere, you know. Him a import him and, you know, him there all over, you know, from Waterford to Harbourview to Dunkirk to Waterhouse to Papine, and see it, yeah. All the shatter them now push him out. All the killer them now push him out. No jungle justice, no the boy again. So when me see no for una comment about jungle justice, me just have to look and no for una like I wanna talk about. The killer them a graper. The dance and the general them a grind off youngin boy, yeah. So no think nobody a go look for mini-me or can tell mini-me nothing. Only JCF a save no for una boy, yeah. Cause if never for JCF, whole heap of una data get whole and pan. Whole heap of una get whole and pan. And nothing would come out of that. Cause uno so-called dance and general no care about uno. So uno can't stay there. So see me, my viewers, anyone who see my road, Daniel Chen, aka Mini-Me, you don't know the code. So my people, you walk with me now. Usain Bolt do an interview on the fix. And him a talk up a bag of things. Usain Bolt a say, I'll know him can't get back him money from SSL. Usain Bolt a say, the reason why him don't go to CNN or Fox News or them big television company there in America, because him know say this thing here go hurt America, I go hurt Jamaica. And I know say no for una go wonder and I say, how it a go hurt Jamaica. Now remember, you know, you got a lot of investors there out there, you know, we are look pan Jamaica, you know, we want to invest in a Jamaica, you know. And if them say Jamaica do this to them own Usain Bolt, you know feel them investor they go come invest, boy, yeah? For people rob up them money. Me hear people I say, why Usain Bolt still a blame SSL? Now remember this, you know. If you have $30 million in a NCB bank and somebody scam it, who you go blame? Now NCB, you can't blame the dons them because guess what? I never them you invest with. You invest with NCB. So them you go blame. And them you want back your money from. Same like Usain Bolt want back your money from SSL. So my viewers, what do you think about this? When you think Usain Bolt to go international with this, sit down with one of them big television company there, do an interview, CNN, and see what I go on, and see if he would get back his money, even though people are say, are the same people them where they run Usain Bolt rob up his money. So my people, tell me what you think about this. I go dig off here now. You stay safe out there. You don't know the code of road. A life over death. You see me?